This is the Owen James Report. The Bank of Jamaica is forecasting a real growth in GDP within a band of 1.6% to 2.5% for the current fiscal year. Speaking at his quarterly briefing today, Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter based this on growth in manufacturing, electricity and water supply, hotels and restaurants, as well as agriculture, forestry and fishing. The Bank of Jamaica says the Jamaican economy is expected to benefit from continued recovery in major industries as well as several growth-inducing initiatives driven by increasing investor confidence. Governor Brian Winter also opined that the three-year precautionary standby agreement with the IMF also serves to strengthen the credibility of Jamaica's economic reform agenda. On the question of inflation, the Bank of Jamaica projects that this is expected to remain within the bank's target range of 4 to 6% per annum. However, it says, based on the lagged effect of agriculture supply shocks and improved demand conditions, inflation will speed up moderately over the next 2 quarters. Falls by several key stocks across the spectrum of finance, manufacturing, and media helped to trigger appreciable losses in the Jamaican stock market indices today. The combined index fell by over 1,600 points, or 3/5%. The main JC index fell by over 1,200 points, or 0.5%. 49 stocks traded, with 13 advancing, 29 declining, and 7 holding firm. Almost 31 million shares worth over $242 million traded. Jamaican teas, down 1%, accounted for over 81% of stocks traded. Winners included Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Express Catering, JMMB Group, Jamaica Stock Exchange, KLE Group, and Kingston Wharves. The losers included Berger, Derrimon Trading, General Accident, Jamaican Teas, Lasco Manufacturing, Mayberry, NCB Group, Portland, JSX, Proven Investments, Consolidated Bakeries or Purity, Radio Jamaica, Sagicor Group, Stationery and Office Supplies, and T-Tech Limited. The Jamaican dollar weakened against the benchmark American and Canadian dollars, but strengthened against sterling in foreign exchange trading today. Here are the numbers. The greenback advanced by 8 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $128.48 Jamaican, while the Canadian dollar jumped by 69 Jamaican cents at an average selling rate of $101.54 Jamaican. However, sterling weakened by 18 Jamaican cents at an average selling rate of $165.39. Now finally, My Young Investors Stock Market competition held its prize-giving ceremony for the first and second quarters today. Former William Knibb High School student Shanae Graham won the first quarter, while Portmore Community College's Crystal Stewart won the second quarter. Deputy General Manager of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Robin Levy, had a strong message regarding the possible generational impact of financial literacy on the overall economy.
We figure that if your generation becomes really the first generation in Jamaica to be financially literate, know the way money works, know the way to make money, make more money, then we will have a wealthier country, one in which we don't squabble over inheritance because we already have made our own, or we have put aside enough for our children, so that we don't have generation after generation in poverty. You guys understand what I'm saying? You feeling me? How I sound so far? Sound like I'm making sense? We also hoped that if we get bright young minds like yourselves, you would become apostles, go forth and preach the gospel to your peers, to your parents, to your siblings, your brothers and sisters, your cousins. Indoctrinate them, right? Inject them with the virus of sound money management and how to make money.
Powerful message there from the Jamaica Stock Exchange's Deputy General Manager, Robin Levy. Now watch my personal financial program On a Personal Note this Sunday for more. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.